Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use GIF in your profile picture. So let's go to the user settings over here and then let's click on profiles. Now if you want to, you can of course set it globally, or you can set it for specific server over here. You can switch between user profile or server profiles. I'm gonna use user profile in this example. And now over here we have change avatar. Let's click on it. And of course here we have some GIFs that we can choose from the internet, but keep in mind that in order to use GIFs in your profile picture, then you need to have this code Nitro. If you do have it, then you can, for instance, click on choose GIF, select the GIF that you want to use, like so, and of course here you can adjust and click apply. And now you can press save changes in order to use the GIF. And that's pretty much it. If you want to, you can also once again click on change avatar, and then you can click on upload image, and if you have a GIF, then that's completely fine, you can use that as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!